लीडरशिप असते कोणती कमिटीची
What committee?
Sir,
सनबर्न पोल्युशन कंट्रोल
I am not involved in that. Okay, that committee has been fixed, finalized by the chief secretary.
चीफ
So I am not involved. I am not aware of who all are in that.
पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डाचा ऑफिसर
Listen to me. If I am not mistaken, this committee was formed yesterday at about 6 o'clock in the evening. I am not aware about the details. In the course of the day, I will get to know, and maybe then I can comment about it.
Alex Babu,
I can only give you one assurance that as far as pollution board is concerned, we will ensure that the permitted decibels are not exceeded. We will ensure that at 12 o'clock, Sunburn stops.
12 o'clock, sir.
12 o'clock or 10 o'clock?
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
They have got permission till 12 o'clock.
I don't know what permission they have, but I know that under the Environment Act, Government of Goa has got 15 days. Let me speak, by which they can relax the rules from 10 o'clock to midnight. I know that from 24th December till 31st December, there is a relaxation of up to 12 o'clock. It is not something new, this is of the past. And as such, according to me, whoever is having a function can apply to the government or to the respective agency seeking permission up to 12 midnight. I do not know till what time Sunburn has applied, but I am talking of as far as the rules are concerned, it can go right up to 12 p.m.
But is it feasible for the government
15 दिवसाचे 30 दिनाचे ऑलरेडी फिक्स झाले आसा
Fix झालो आहे.
पण
So
तिथून
from
खंय तरी सनबर्न
24th
एक्स्ट्रा पडटा
No. There is nothing of Sunburn.
नो नथिंग सेम बट
There is
dates are
nothing.
not fixed
What about
Dates
the
are fixed.
High Court order?
I am telling you 24th to 31st. It is blocked till 12 p.m.
so the 24th 25th and 31st
24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st.
So you are saying that Sunburn will get till 12 o'clock?
I do not know till what time they will apply. I only know
So
that.
y'all always, the government always comes to know late.
No, I am telling you openly. The rules are till 12 midnight.
Okay.
And this is not my doing. These rules are there for years now.